Hi there, welcome back. As all smart devices works with the help of the apps you install to them. Same thing happens with the smart TV also. In MI TV, since the space is very less, it works with only 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of ROM, which is very less. So more the apps you install on the TV, it will take more space on your TV and the functioning of the TV becomes slower. So you have to optimize the TV again and again, which takes lots of time. So for smooth working of the TV, you must uninstall or delete all unnecessary apps from your TV. Let us see how can you do it. So to uninstall or delete the apps, move to the more section where all kinds of apps are installed. You can see it here. As you move to the right upper corner, there is a delete button. As soon as you press this delete button, a recycle bin icon will appear. Now move this recycle bin icon to the app which you are going to uninstall. Then press the OK button of your remote. As soon as you press the OK button, the app will get uninstalled. So in this way you can uninstall any app. You can also uninstall the app using the TV Manager app in your TV, which is pre-installed with your TV. Just move to the uninstall app and move the cursor to the app which you want to uninstall, and then press the OK button of your remote and press again OK to uninstall app. And in this way you can uninstall any kind of app. There is another method to optimize your TV. The apps which you are using more must be at the first position so that you can easily access them. Since only 5 installed apps are there on the main screen of the TV, so you have to sort the apps so that these appears on the main screen of the TV. In the same way, as you can see it here, on upper right corner there is a sort button. As soon as you press the sort button on your remote, this type of icon will appear. Now as you move this cursor to any app and press OK button, the app goes to the first position. You can see it here. So in this way you can arrange the apps as per your choice. There is another way to sort the apps, and that is auto sort. As soon as you press the auto sort, it will sort all kinds of apps as per your uses. So this was the way by which you can optimize your TV with uninstalling the apps and sort the apps as per your choices. If you like this video, please click on like button and share it with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel. It's free. Thank you very much.